Hi guys, it's Connie here from the Daily Life of Creativity, and today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of what I have received from We Are Makers American Craft. I was sent this pretty good sized box full of pieces to make my life easier when I'm crafting. If you're not new to me on Instagram, usually where I post the most, you know that love using their tools. So I was sent a welcome squad to the squad packet, and I want to share that with you. So the first thing I received were these two pens, which are so pretty, a floral and one with black and white. And then I also received a circle cutter. So you can create circles up to 12 inches with this one here. And this is not new to me, but when I moved from California, a lot of my things, I would say 95% of my crafting things were given away. So I'm starting over with certain things. So this is a circle maker. And I also have another one that I really, really love. So I am back. So this is the one that I have been using. It's pretty new to me, but I remember it liking this one more. So you have options between the two, whichever one. This one limits you to 8 inches. Yes, 8-inch circles. And this one you can go up to 12. Well, that's what it says here, 12 inches. All right. All right. And I also love using my 1, 2, 3 punch board to create boxes or envelopes, mostly envelopes for my projects. And if you watch my YouTube videos here, you know that I'm always using this cool little tool here. And this one is for your mini albums. I don't work without this. I always want to make a mini album. And my favorite paper cutter, I have a couple favorite paper cutters from them. I also love the other, I cannot remember the name right now, but I'll go ahead and link it down below. And I just love this paper cutter because it has a large handle and you can change the blade when it's dull perfectly. Opens up to 12 by 12. And I have like 3 of these ones. I love working with them. All right, so let's back to the bags. I also got a few stool. You know that I love making little shakers with my sewing machine. So I wanted to give a few stool a try once again. This is not new to me. I have used it before and I loved it. But sometimes maybe I don't want to stitch or I want to fuse. I know a lot of you guys when I do those cute shakers ask what other options. I want to do a YouTube video sharing you using either the sewing machine or a fuse tool. So let me show you an example. Be right back. The mess behind me, guys. Oh my god, I need to fix this room. All right, so these are the shakers I was talking about. I have a video here or on Instagram. You see how I stitch. Oh, I'm sorry, stitch using my sewing machine. um a lot of you guys don't stitch on acetate, so I want to recreate this little shakers with the fuse tool, so that should be fun. Okay, next, this is new to me. This is called the Stitch Happy Pen Punch Needle Kit. So I'm excited to try this because I love adding stitching to my layouts, my mini albums. I want to see if this work on chipboard mini albums. You know, like if we draw the line or the little dots in the way that we want it, are we able to punch through chipboard? You know, have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments. I'm also excited to try the Crafters Essential. This is for scoring or creasing. I'm excited to try. You know, I usually use a bone. I have a couple of them, but I want to give this one a try with the scoreboard. And it comes with, I would say, it comes with different sizes. I see the little balls are different sizes. So this one is it's a Crafter Essential. So this is something that you should have. I will let you know if I like it. I'm excited to also try the angle. So this is an angle cutter, okay? So you know when I'm using my favorite tool, sometimes I don't want to draw the line to get the corners, or I don't want to lift the paper up to get the scissors. So if it's on the mat, glass mat or cutting mat already, I want to be able to use it with this. Or other projects, if I have a ruler or other options, I'm not sure. That is what I have in my mind. But how would you use this tool? How will you use this cutter? So I'm excited for this. All right. I also got the another crafter essential kit. This one comes with different tools for you to craft. Like if you have little tiny things that you want to place in the layout, but they're too small for your fingers, this is perfect. I have one and I use it all the time. What I'm really looking forward to is this one for me here, and this one. This mat is perfect to add when you're creating quick projects and you don't want to ruin your desk. Also, perfect, perfect. Love. I'm always using the scissors too. And what else? Let's see here. All right, another one that is new to me. I'm excited. This one is the explosion cardboard, and you get to create all sorts of things. I guess you get to create a card, and that is like pops up when it's out of the envelope. So I'm excited for this one. I will be, of course, every time I create a project, I will be sharing here what tools I'm using. Okay, have you tried this one before? Let me know. All right, what else? And I also received a pair of scissors. These are supposed to be, I get, it's called Stitch Happy, maybe for sewing, people who do a lot of fabric cutting. I do make fabric bows here and there once in a while, so I could see myself using those. And this one is papers. So I wanted a new pair of scissors that are only touching paper, no glue, nothing like that. So I'm excited to try them out. They feel really nice and they're pretty, guys. Look, this one is like a rose gold and this one is silver. So I'm excited for this ones. They're heavy. So if you have like, like if your wrist hurts, don't get them. They're too heavy. But if you want them to, just to have, because why not have pretty things, then get them. And then the last thing that I got was this We Are Memory Keepers. It's a stackable paper tray. I'm always getting a lot of collections from my design teams that I'm on, like Doodlebug, Echo Park, and I wanted to stay organized. I want to see if this would help me either with the coordinating card stack, or maybe I would add the kits that I'm working on. All right, so that was it for this haul. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe this video a thumbs up so other people can see it and interact with me and get to meet me. If you have not checked out my other videos, I would love it if you would like to do so. And also, I have a new kit class layout, 5 layouts, that it's already available. I'll go ahead and link that down below too. Follow me on Instagram too at Inner Creativity Shop and the Daily Life of Creativity. Bye guys. I love you all.